50. Peas, green. These are an excellent source of fiber, folate and vitamin. They are also high in iron, manganese and vitamin C. 1 cup of cooked peas has 134 calories. Snow peas and sugar snap peas have about half the calories of regular peas. Different varieties of peas provide similar nutrients in different amounts. 1 serving equals 77 g 125 ml. Very high in vitamin C, 51% recommended daily intake per serving. High in vitamin K, 24% recommended daily intake per serving. High in folacin, 23% recommended daily intake per serving. High in manganese, 16% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of zinc, 11% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of phosphorus, 8% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin B6, 7% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free, 4 mg per serving. Source of fiber, 4 g per serving. Fat free, 0.3 g per serving. 51. Pepper, green. Half of a green pepper has 16 calories. It is a very high source of vitamin C and a source of vitamins K and B6. 1 serving equals 85 g, a half medium. Very high in vitamin C, 110% recommended daily intake per serving. Low in sodium, 25 mg per serving. Fat free, 0 g per serving. 52. Pepper, sweet red. 1 serving equals 85 g, a half medium. Very high in vitamin C, 110% recommended daily intake per serving. Low in sodium, 25 mg per serving. Fat free, 0 g per serving. 53. Potato, red. 1 serving equals 79 g 125 ml. Source of vitamin C, 26% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of magnesium, 7% recommended daily intake per serving. High in potassium, 323 mg per serving. Fat free, 0.1 g per serving. 54. Potato, white. A baked potato with the skin has 161 calories. The nutritional value of potatoes varies slightly depending on the variety. Generally, potatoes contain fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. Note that the contribution of nutrients is much higher if you eat the skin. 1 serving equals 110 g, 1 small. High in vitamin C, 35% recommended daily intake per serving. High in potassium, 460 mg per serving. Fat free, 0 g per serving. 55. Potato, yellow. 1 serving equals 167 g, 1 medium without skin, boiled. High in vitamin B6, 25% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin C, 21% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of magnesium, 13% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of zinc, 5% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of fiber, 2.3 g per serving. Fat free, 0.2 g per serving. 56. Pumpkin, 1 cup of cooked pumpkin has 49 calories, is very high in vitamin A, 170%, and a good source of vitamin C and source of fiber. 1 serving equals 61 g 125 ml. Source of vitamin C, 9% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of potassium, 208 mg per serving. Sodium free, 1 mg per serving. Fat free, 0.1 g per serving.